Hi, so once you finish that first part, there's also a second part that needs some work as well, because you want your scenario to run like this to show that it has been successful. But what you will find is that the third module wouldn't work because there's an error. It says it's a bad connection, bad request, there's an unexpected token in the JSON file. And obviously, remember, we're copying the JSON file from the training module. But what you will notice is in the example, it says team ID. But when you go to copy the JSON file, the template, you'll notice that it has an S, Teams ID, and this is where you're going to fall into issues because Make is expecting team, whereas you've got Teams. So you need to get rid of that S. So the quick fix is go into your module, go into where it says Teams and remove the S, and you have a team ID. That should work fine. However, you still have to go into the second module because that also still says Teams. So you need to go in there and correct it so there's consistency in the data. So just get rid of the S and that should work well. So in the next screen, I'm going to test this by going to Google Forms and completing a new form. Just putting in random information and sending that through so that we can test the scenario to make sure that the scenario works well. So I'm clicking the team, then I'm clicking submit. So wonderful, that's gone through. So next we're going to go and run our scenario. I'm going to press run once and we want to see all ones. So one. Oh yeah, perfect. The payload has been delivered and that has worked well. So thank you for watching this and I hope you found it helpful.